Hey guys, hope you are doing good and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very easy question. So a lot of people ask me to give an easy question for people to solve. Here is a very straightforward question. So we are given some movie data like names of movies Ranjana, Singham, Bahubali, PK, and this is not like the exact rating, this is more a fictitious rating, and there is also a release year, okay? And our question here is we need to find the movies which have rating greater than 7.4 and also they should have been released in odd years. Okay, odd years means they should not be divisible by 2. So for instance, this movie, right, 2013, then 2015 and 2017, right, these could be the 3 rows that are released in odd years. Apart from that, we need to give a condition rating greater than 7.4. So we'll have to check this, right? And if you see here, the only movie with rating greater than 7.4 and also released in odd year is this, right? Because Singham has 7.5 but it was released in an even year. 2016 is divisible by 2. So we need to output just this movie name. How can we do that? So I will say select movie from this table, okay, where rating greater than 7.4. This is very straightforward. And to say the the year should be an odd year, we can use release year %2 not equal to 0. This basically says when release year is divided by 2, the remainder is not equal to 0. Okay, so not equal to, we use the symbol like this exclamation mark and equal to. So when we run this, we will get the value Ranjana. Makes sense. Suppose we wanted to do the same thing but rating greater than 7.4 but movie should be released in even years, then we just change this condition release year %2 equal to 0. In that case we'll get Singham because Singham also had a rating above 7.4 and also it was released in an even year, I think 2016, right? So that is how this works. Very simple, this percentage or mod operator, whatever it is called. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.